Hey guys, so this is a video on how to install the rear luggage net in your Jimny for the JB74 model. So this is what I have got. Let's have a look here. So that's the net, and I have some screws here. So let me open it up. Okay guys, so this is what I get with it. These are the tools you'll need, because all you need to do is open this screw with the large flat screwdriver, and on the top it has to be the last one, so it's that one there. So let's go and open that and get ready to install it. You have to take it out on both sides, so one on this side and one on this side. The last one here. Quite simple. There you go. That's out. And when you're putting this on, you have to ensure that you put it on quite firmly, but not too tight. You might damage the paint. So let's go ahead and screw this bolt on. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Has to be a bit firm, but not too much. You don't want to damage the paint. Keep going. It's perfect. This just comes off very easy. Put one on there, because you don't want it to rattle as well, so put it firm, but not too tight. Just that's good enough. Same thing on this side. It doesn't even take much and it's loose already. It's pretty cool. Pop it out. Perfect. Now I'll show you how to install this luggage. You have to make sure the zip is pointing down, so the zip on top, that's the other end. With the bottom it's a little bit more trickier, because this is Velcro. See, this is Velcro, so you need to insert it and you need to tighten it. Same thing on this side. I think I've tightened this one a bit too much, so let's keep it a little loose. A little loose is good. And now we tighten this top bit. Cool. We have to adjust this. So the reason I say keep this a bit loose is because you can grab stuff out easily. Too tight. It's too tight. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. You have to adjust it. Once you've adjusted it, that's fine. I think that's perfect. I think that's perfect. So if you have a look, once I've adjusted it, it's perfect. The bag's not gonna fall out. This one here, I got this design so you can open up, you can put extra stuff in there if you want. But basically for me, the priority is things not falling out, because the jimny's trunk's not too big. So something like this is, for me, is very essential. If you guys want, you can subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to put out some more videos on the jimny, on accessories and yeah, maintenance, things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching.